students have started chapter number 9, where they learned how different forces on the earth work. Now I am going to call different students in front of the class one by one, and they are going to show how different forces work. So Abdullah, come here and tell us how a muscular force works. This is how a muscular force works. Very good. Come back. Now Noor is going to tell us how elastic force works. Very good, Noor. Shabash. Go back. Munib, come in front of the class and tell us how a frictional force works. Very good, Munib. Okay, Rubab, come here and tell us how a gravitational force works. Very good. Mustafa, come in front of the class and tell how a muscular force works. Very good, Mustafa.